honest for a second. Have you ever thought, I want to start my own business, but money is the biggest problem? Maybe you want to run a small shop, maybe a food business, maybe you're tired of working for someone else. But then the word bank loan scares you. Collateral, paperwork, rejection. Well, good news. There's something called Mudra Loan, and today I'll explain everything about it in simple way, especially how you can get it from Canara Bank. So relax, grab a coffee and let's start. What is a Mudra Loan? Mudra Loan is a government-backed business loan under the Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. So the main goal is very simple: help small business owners and self-employed people. And the best part? No collateral or no big property papers needed. Mudra stands for Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency. In short, this loan is designed for small dreams that want to become big business. There are some types in Mudra loans. Let's check that out. Mudra loans comes in 3 categories based on your business stage. Number 1, Shishu loan, up to 50,000 rupees, perfect for beginners, small shops, vendors, home businesses, etc. Number 2 is Kishore loan, 50,000 rupees to 5 lakhs. It's for businesses that are already running or buying stock, machines, expansion and all. So number 3 is Tarun loan, rupees 5 lakhs to rupees 10 lakhs you will get. It is for established or small businesses. It's for their growth, scaling and bigger plans. So whenever you're just starting or already learning, there's a Mudra loan for you. Let's see who all can apply for this loan. This loan is for real people, not big companies. You can apply it if you are a small shop owner, street vendor, tailor, electrician, plumber, or like salon or beauty parlor owner, food businesses, delivery businesses, autos, taxis, or service provider. So let's say the basic rules, you must be 18 plus and you must be an Indian citizen. That's all. Simple. And why Canara Bank for Mudra Loan? Now let's talk about Canara Bank. Why do many people prefer Canara Bank for Mudra loans? Number 1, trusted public sector bank. Number 2, transparent process. Number 3, competitive interest rates. Number 4, flexible repayment options. And number 5, strong branch network across India. You can apply by visiting a near branch or by checking official online options. Plus, they actually guide you instead of confusing you. The interest rates and repayment. Let's talk about that. Interest rates, they depend on loan category, like your business, profile, bank policies, but generally Mudra loans are affordable compared to other private loans. Repayment method is usually 3 to 5 years with easy monthly EMIs. Some cases also get a moratorium period, which means you don't pay EMIs immediately. So the documents required for this is, paperwork is less than you think, and you usually need Aadhaar card, PAN card, address proof and passport size photos, bank account details, business proof if it's available. New business? No problem. A simple business plan is also enough. Now let's see how to apply step by step. Here's how it works. Step 1, visit your nearest Canara Bank branch. Second, ask for the Mudra loan application. Number 3, submit documents, and step 4 is bank verification and discussion. Number 5, loan approval and amount credited. That's it, no drama. So if your seed is about starting or growing a business, Mudra loan from Canara Bank can be your first step. Don't overthink, go ask and explore. So if this video has helped you, please like, share and subscribe to Boss Wallah English YouTube channel. I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Boss Wallah. Be the boss.